everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Caitlin if you're new here. As you can tell, all this is laying back here. I'm going to be trying on my lip duos that I am in love with, and they're super affordable, and I will have them all linked down below as usual. Give this video a big thumbs up and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And I'm sorry my hair's crazy. It's been raining and my hair's flat, my hair is straight, my hair's wavy. I don't know what's gonna do, so just look past that. And if you wanna know this lip color that I'm wearing right now, then just keep on watching.
So I will be taking this e.l.f. lip lacquer in the shade Clear, and I will be putting this all over my lips. This is really super affordable. It's like $3. It's e.l.f.'s new lip lacquer that came out. It is so shiny and it is smooth and it's not sticky, and it's a perfect affordable lip gloss. So yeah, the shine is real. So I'm taking a NYX lip pencil in the shade Nude Beige. That's the shade that I'm using right now. I'm going to be taking it and lining my lips and filling it in. These lip pencils are super affordable. They're like $4, I believe. I will have everything linked below as usual. But these are super affordable. If you put your lip liners down first, it'll actually help your lip stay on way longer throughout the day and be a base for a lip gloss or even a matte liquid lipstick. And then I'm going to be taking a NYX Butter Gloss in Fortune Cookie. These butter gloss smell amazing, and they're so like glossy, and they have pigment to them. They're not overly like cakey, like they're just thick, but they're not goopy or cakey or anything like that. So yeah, this is the lip combo right here. So this is also a NYX lip liner, but it's actually a slide on, glide on, stay on, and definitely a turn on waterproof extreme color lip liner. That is literally what they call this lip liner. But it is definitely a better quality than the first one. But yet again, I think this is like $2 or $3 more. But this is in the shade Nude Suede Shoes. This NYX Butter Gloss that I'm using is in the shade Creme Brulee. Yet again, you can always use these lip liners by themselves and top them with a lip gloss, or just keep them with a lip liner. And yeah, that's the completed look for this one. So the next lip liner that I'm going to be using is a NYX Wonder Pencil in the shade Deep. This is also a good lip liner, definitely better than the first quality, but yet again, they're still all good quality. Just depends on how much you want to spend. But this is going to look really crazy because this is a very light nude, almost my foundation color. But I promise at the end of this, it will turn out so good. This is definitely a good lip color that I go towards when I have like a full-blown smoky eye and I want my eyes to pop and not my lips. Then to top it off, I'm going to be taking my e.l.f. Lip Plumping Gloss. I don't really know what shade this is. I got it in a Christmas gift set, so hopefully I can find that. But yeah, look how beautiful this nude color is. So pretty. This plumping lip gloss is everything. It is so good. And last but finally not least, what y'all all have been waiting for is the lip combo that I literally wear a lot because it's so easy to put on and the colors will literally go with anything. But it is this NYX lip liner in Peekaboo Neutral. Literally, if you just need one combo, this is literally what you need. This lip liner is literally so pigmented, so smooth. It is literally everything. I don't know if it's because of the color, but this formula is definitely literally so different than the first one, even though they're the exact same lip liner. I don't know, maybe it's just in my head, but this Peekaboo Neutral is everything, and you need this in your collection for sure. Also, what's good about this lip liner, I do wear it by itself sometimes if I just want the matte effect. I will just put this Peekaboo Neutral lip liner on, and it looks stunning, as you can tell. For the lip gloss, I'm going to be using the e.l.f. lip lacquer in the shade Wild Rose. This is the exact same lip lacquer that I used the first time, except the first one was clear and this one has a tint to it. It does have a good pigment to it, and yet again, it's shiny, it is not goopy or sticky. And yeah, this is the lip combo that everyone's been asking me about and everyone has questions about, and oh my gosh, how much did you spend on this? And literally like 10 bucks. So here it is, and I hope you guys enjoyed.
I hope you guys enjoyed this affordable lip try on, and hopefully y'all will grab some. Don't forget to tag me, Kaitlan_Annette, if you post pictures on Instagram or Facebook or wherever you do your stuff. If you would like to see my Kylie lip collection, just give this video a thumbs up. If you want to see like a higher end lip try on, also give this video a thumbs up and comment down below which one you would prefer, or if you want both, you know, just give it a big old thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and bell notification to get rung every time I post. And as usual, I will see you in my next video, and your girl's out. Bye.